everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Happily Exhausted Mama. If you are new here, I am Shayoni, mom to a toddler, and I share stuff about parenting, also product reviews for both moms and babies on this channel. So if you're interested, make sure subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I am there as The Happily Exhausted Mama. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wonderful product by this company called Aztec Secret. This is the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, and it's supposed to be the world's most powerful facial. So let's hear about this. So I had already heard about the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay through some of my favorite YouTubers. Some of the skincare YouTubers that I ardently follow, they had already reviewed this, and if you don't know this product has been on Amazon's best-selling list in the US under beauty, and therefore I was very excited when Aztec Secret wanted me to review this product. So first of all, thank you for sending this across to me to try, and I will be giving you my honest review of this product. Now what is this? So it is 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. So this is one ingredient only. There is nothing else in this. This is 100% organic and it's 100% natural bentonite clay. It is sun dried. There are no additives whatsoever. There are no fragrances, no animal testing has been done, no animal products are there, and as I said, it's 100% organic. But of course, every person's skin is different, so if you do have some irritation when you use it, make sure you discontinue the use of it. As of now, I don't think I've heard anyone having any irritation, but again, every person's skin is different. Now bentonite clay is known for its healing properties as well as giving that glow to your skin, cleaning out your pores, and therefore, as they say, giving you the world's most powerful facial. Now I have already been using this for the last 2 weeks and have used this with water. You can also use it with apple cider vinegar, but that is up to you. I wanted to use it with just plain water and see what happens. Now the first time that I used it, I kept it for only 10 minutes because you're supposed to keep it for 5 to 10 minutes if you have sensitive skin, and after 10 minutes my skin immediately had this glow. I had mixed a little bit of extra, so I applied it on my feet as well, and my feet immediately I could see that there was a layer of exfoliation that had happened and my feet felt soft. So you can also use it as a foot pack as well, of course, for your face. And for my face also, I saw there was a gentle exfoliation that happened and there was a definite brightness that I could see. Now this by far has to be the smoothest clay mask I have ever used. I love clay masks and I've used a lot of them in my life, and usually any powder masks are sort of grainy and you can feel it on your skin. This is buttery soft. The moment you mix it and you start applying it on your face, it feels so smooth and luxurious that you know that the exfoliation is going to be very gentle because there's no physical exfoliation happening actually on your skin. And you leave it on and it dries up, and then you just wash it off with slightly warm water. So you damp your face and then wash it off. And of course, if you leave it to dry completely, like 100% dry, you will feel a tightening and a pulling sensation. I personally don't leave on clay masks till they are absolutely 100% dry. I just feel then I'm tugging on my skin too much, so I wait till they're around 90% dry, so that it's still a little bit soft in areas, so it's easier for me to remove it. Of course, there are times when I forget and it becomes completely tight on my skin, so I dampen my skin again first and then slowly take it off. And overall, I have been enjoying using this clay mask. I can see why it's so popular, especially for people who have acne prone skin. I have normal to combination skin and it worked beautifully for me. I don't usually have a lot of breakouts, maybe now and then I'll have 1 or 2. The next 2 times that I used it, I kept it on 15 to 20 minutes, and even then I didn't have any tingling sensation. My skin didn't feel like I had applied something which was harming my skin in any way. Now the pack obviously says that there can be some tingling, and I think that if you use it with apple cider vinegar, you might feel some tingling, but with plain water there was no tingling whatsoever. I have slightly sensitive skin, it's not super sensitive, so if you have super sensitive skin, make sure to do a patch test and also apply it for like 5-6 minutes the first time you use it, so that you are safe and you know what is happening to your skin. Now there was no redness on my face, and if there is redness, it's supposed to go away in like 30 minutes, so I didn't have any redness whatsoever. I'm anyway dark skinned, so usually products don't leave that red color on my face usually, so nothing like that happened. Let me show how it looks. So it comes in a tub like this, there was a seal which I completely removed, and there's this really fine powder inside, and you actually need a very little quantity of it. It says you can use it 15 to 20 times from this. Oh no, actually it says 10 to 15 facials from this nearly 500 gram pack. I would say you can do way more than that. The shelf life of this product is 3 years, so you can use it, take your time, and I'm sure this is going to last me a very long time. The MRP of this product is 1440, but you can get it on Amazon for great deals. So I'll put the link in the description box if you want to check those products out. They also have a couple of other types of clays and also apple cider vinegar. So if you want to see those products, again I'll put the link down in the description box. Overall, this was a luxurious product to use. I loved how it feels on my skin, and you know, in 15-20 minutes I can get my skin to glow up, which is fantastic. This is something that I will probably continue using at least once every week. And thank you again to Aztec Secret. This was a fantastic product. I highly recommend it. Please let me know in the comments if you have used this product, what was your feedback. And again, if you do end up buying this product, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to know. Till then, take care of yourselves. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.